Hello once again. So let us test to see whether we have correctly integrated all our submodules. Let us run and see if everything is working correctly. So like I said, this is the true start. So it means when I actually run this program, this is the function that is getting called. And then from inside here, we end up calling our other functions. Can you see? We end up calling our other functions. You see? We end up calling our other functions. You see? Yeah. So for example, when the calculate water bill function is called, you see, when this function is called, it does that, it does that, okay, it does that, it does that, and then it is also calling this function. You see, it is also calling this function. So this function will also be called, and then it will also do its job, and then it will give you back its value. Yeah, you see, yeah, it will give you back its value, and then it will come back here, and then this value now will be added to this one, and then you're going to get your answer. And then once your answer comes, it is going to be what? It is going to be displayed. Can you see? It is going to be displayed. So you can see you have created all your functions, but the real story will be in the main function. This is where all your functions are going to be integrated. Okay, yeah. So this is where the real story will be happening, or will be beginning. Okay, all right. So let us test it. All right. So there is an error here. Can we read this error? So the error says display choice was not declared in this scope. Oh, display choice was not declared in this scope. Guys, our function is not called display choice. It is called display menu. Okay, so let us change that. Okay, yeah, display menu. Let us run it again. Okay, electricity bill, water bill, exit. So what if I choose 4? Wow, it's working, guys. What if I choose 2? Enter the volume. Wow. What if I choose 1? Enter your category. Wow. What if I choose the wrong category? What if I choose Z? Wow. It is prompting me again. Okay. What if I choose R? The correct one. Great. The water bill is 3,100. Perfect. And it's prompting me again. Wow. I should enter the, wow. What if I say exit? Perfect, guys. Our program is good to go. We are ready, guys. Our program is working. Our program is working. So, but we had also learned that whenever you have exact values, you can also use a switch. Do you remember? Can we try to use a switch here? Let us try. Let us try. So instead of writing like this, I can say here, I'm going to switch the choice, okay, something like this, because it is the choice that you're trying to switch, right? And then you're going to open your switch here, and then you're going to close it. You're going to close it somewhere here, you see, and then inside here now you can write case. You can write case 1. So you can remove these brackets, right? You can remove these ones. Case 1. Let me remove this bracket. You see? Yeah. So once you finish with case 1, you have to say stop it there. You have to say stop it there, right? Yeah. And then this part here, you can call it case 2. Okay, so let me delete this closing bracket here, because case has no brackets. Okay, so here I can write break, and then I stop it right there, right? And this is the switch. It begins here, it stops here. So this is your end switch. Okay, So this is case and this is case. So I think this should also work. Yeah, I think this should. Can we try it? Okay, there's an error here. What is the error saying? Jump to case label -f permissive. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why is this error coming up. Because you have case 1, C out enter units, W units, C in units. Bill, you're saying the bill is electricity bill, you are displaying the bill, then you break. I don't know why. Anyway, I will check on that. Maybe I will, we will discuss it if I will get a solution for that. Why, I don't know why it is denying. So in the meantime, let us see if we can so let me remove the switch. Yes, perfect. All right, so I think I have, it should work now, right? Yeah, it is working. All right, so I don't know why the switch refused to work there. Maybe you can also do your research to see why but it was supposed to work. I don't know why it didn't work. So I think you've already understood. Okay, so maybe what we can do also, you can try to use an enum. You remember, whenever you have special numbers in your program, you can use enum. So in the next video we will try to use an enum. Okay, head over to the next video where we use an enum. Thank you for listening. All the best.